All right, so logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine and check two or more conditions. All right, logical operators return a Boolean value. Okay, so true or false. Let's see some examples. So let's say x is 1 and y is 2. All right, so we got one example over here. Here, let me actually just make this a bit clear that these aren't just random numbers. So the first example, see these two ands over there? That's the AND operator. All right. So this operator returns true as long as all the expressions specified return true in the statement. All right. So here's our statement. We've got a statement here in parentheses. It says x is greater than 2. Is 1 greater than 2? No. And y is greater than 3. Is y greater than 3? No, this is false. But let me change this. Let's say that x is greater than 0. Is x greater than 0? Yes, because it's 1. Is y greater than 3? No. So what would this be? It would still be false, right? Because everything has to pass as true. So this will be false. So that's the AND. The AND checks it all. The AND checks it all. And I know we're going through all these now. Don't worry, we're going to get plenty of practice in our next topic when we cover decision making, essentially decision making. So number 2, you see these two 90-degree dashes? Well, this, when you put two of them together, that's an OR. So it's not AND, we're checking to see is this true or is that true? So the operator returns true if at least one of the expressions specified return true. So is x greater than 2? No, it's 1. Is y greater than 3? No, it's 2. All right, so this would be false. Now what if this was 0? Is x greater than 0? Is 1 greater than 0? Yes. Is y greater than 3? No. So what's this? Well, it's true. It's going to pass as true because it doesn't matter. It doesn't care if everything has to be true. It just wants to know, is one of these things true? And in this case, this is true. This is false, so this returns true. Okay? It's a good way to check whether or not something... It's a good way to check if one thing or the other thing is passing and then do something with the decision. And we're going to see that decision making in the next topic that we will cover. All right, number 3. See this bang? We talked about the bang. We know the bang is negative. So as an operator, it means not. Right? When we put it next to the equal sign, we know it means not equal. So we get an inverse. All right? So in this case, and here actually, you know what? Let's do it like this. Let me switch the sign. So is x less than 4? X is 1. 1 is less than 4. So should this be true? Well, it would be, but this bang is looking for the opposite. It wants to know the inverse. So it wants to know if it's false. So what this really is saying is x not less than 4. So is x greater than 4? No. Therefore, it's false. Therefore, it's false. A little tricky, but you get used to it, and it makes a lot of sense after. And there you go. That's all she wrote for logical operators. Feeling pretty good? If you're feeling pretty good, you want to get some practice on, then you know where to find me. I'm not going anywhere. You can go everywhere, but I'll see you when you come back here. Okay, bye for now.